Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Apricorn 20TB Aegis Padlock DT 256-bit encrypted USB 3.0 hard drive. In this video, we will explore the features, benefits, and specifications of this secure and massive external hard drive. The Apricorn Aegis Padlock DT offers a staggering 20 terabytes of storage capacity. Ideal for individuals and professionals dealing with large data files, backups, and multimedia content. This hard drive boasts 256-bit AES XTS hardware encryption, ensuring your data remains safe from unauthorized access. Separate admin and user modes, admin and user forced enrollment, and data recovery pins provide multiple layers of security. The Aegis Padlock DT is user-friendly, with a built-in keypad for PIN authentication, eliminating the need for software installations. It's compatible with various USB-enabled operating systems and can be deployed without admin rights. Connect via USB 3.0 for high-speed data transfers, ensuring quick access to your files. The 3.5-inch form factor makes it perfect for desktop use. Programmable brute force defense and 2 read-only modes offer added security. The drive reset feature allows you to clear all pins and data, creating a new encryption key for redeployment. There's also an unattended auto-lock feature for convenience. The encryption chip and circuitry of the Aegis Padlock DT are protected by a super tough epoxy compound, making it extremely resistant to tampering. When you purchase this hard drive, it comes with a USB 3.0 cable, AC adapter, and a quick start manual. The Aegis Padlock DT is available on Amazon for $1,179, with shipping and import fees applicable for international buyers. As of now, there are only 16 units left in stock, so grab yours soon. Apricorn provides product support and a 30-day return policy, ensuring you're covered in case of any issues. In conclusion, the Apricorn 20TB Aegis Padlock DT is a secure, high-capacity external hard drive perfect for users who prioritize data protection and storage space. Its robust security features, ease of use, and durability make it an excellent investment for professionals and data enthusiasts. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. If you have any questions or want to see more reviews of similar products, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.